another video. Today I'm gonna share with you guys a quick and easy style that I like to do when I'm missing a bun. You know, I'm at an awkward length of my natural hair, and I don't have many options of styles, and these are some of the styles that I do just to change my look up a little bit. This style is perfect for a formal occasion or even just for work. I mean, it works perfectly and it's really easy. I don't use gels on my hair for now, and yeah, I wanted to create a style that was sleek without using gel. So if you're interested, keep watching.